Ma'am, I'm going to ask you to leave this voice, okay?
It's my business. I just paid for it. Sure, Sam, they are arresting. Where should I go? Pay the rest. I'm trying to see what I purchased. You guys are so dumb. Walmart? You guys like looking for Walmart? Let's call 911.
Calling 911.
This is how you do it. 911 when you want to get through the line.
Or you
Or you
leave.
go to some other line.
Or you
How
leave.
old are you, woman?
Or you just go to another store.
Yes, move her out the way, please.
Let's just do great plan for sure.
We got kids and babies over here. Move. Wow.
She's coughing on him.
Wow.
She's spitting on him.
Now calling the police.
Oh, she's spitting. I got it all on camera.
Yes, I paid for it.
No, you did not. I canceled out your transaction, ma'am. Please exit.
Give me a receipt.
Do you not need a receipt?
I
You
was
made no
right
purchase.
here under your arrest.
Got it?
I'm gonna ask you to shut the fuck up and get the fuck away from me before I slice your neck with my spit again. Do you even see where it landed?
I'm getting it all.
It landed right there.
Oh, I
Huh?
see it on my face.
Did you just do this in the bathroom, manager?
Hi, this is the White Ring Walmart.
Don't be a bitch.
And threaten me with violence.
Okay, you got.
Assistant manager, please.
Sorry, thank you. I'm just trying to get you out.
White Ring Walmart. Off the property. I have called PD. They are on their way. She spit on me, which
I
is
coughed.
action
Did you see how easy it is to get the phlegm out? It's a lesson.
I have it on video. So.
It's called get your phlegm out because that's where you're getting the fat out. And the fat holds the toxins and the fucking viruses.
Ma'am?
Do you think I'm just having fun being a stupid blonde?
Would you like to go
Yeah,
on?
I just decided that I just wanted to be born to be a stupid blonde. Yeah, like I am the only fucking blonde here. Who are you with your face all like, your head would be rolling in the aisle. Do it, do it. No, I wouldn't. My husband knows a lot more than yours does. And look, you can't even take your
Ma'am,
carpet out
please.
very well.